Graph the line 3x minus y equals 9. So this is just like the previous problem that we just did, which is graph the line y equals 4x minus 5. The difference is that number 4 is in y equals mx plus b form. Here, we're in standard or general form, depending on what your book wants to call it, or your teacher. So here, this is going to be, we have to change from standard to our y, or to slope-intercept form, to slope-intercept form. So we need to change it because that way we can actually graph. So I'm going to change this and say, okay, I'm going to take that 3x minus y is equal to 9. And I know that slope-intercept form is in y equals mx plus b form. So basically, all I need to do is focus on getting this y alone over here. So this y, I need to get alone, and it will fall into slope-intercept form at that point. So first thing I need to do is move this 3x. So I ask myself, is this positive or negative? I know it's positive. So think of it as addition, inverse of addition, subtraction. So I subtract 3x, both sides. This now is negative y is equal to 9 minus 3x. And I don't want this negative because my form is positive right here. So notice that. So I have to multiply all the terms in here by a negative 1. This changes this negative 1 times negative y to y, which equals negative 1 times 9, negative 9, and then negative 1 times negative 3x is going to be plus 3x. Now, you could go from here and start graphing, but I prefer that we flip it. So we're going to take this 3x, put it in the front, take this negative 9, and turn it into minus 9. So that negative 9 told me to minus 9. From here, I'm going to now identify my m as I did in the last problem. My m is 3, but I need it as a fraction, so 3 over 1. This tells me that 3 is my rise, 1 is my run. Now I'm going to take my b, which is negative 9. This is the same thing as the coordinate 0, comma, and then whatever my b is, which is negative 9. If this part was hard, make sure that you look at problem 4, the video for problem 4. This will answer your question and then do this problem. So from here, I'm going to graph, start with the coordinate 0, comma, negative 9 and find that on here. So that's 0, 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8, negative 9. So right here should be negative 9. So I'm going to put the coordinate right there. So my line's going to run through there. And I'm going to rise 1, 2, 3, and over 1. Now I'm going to rise 1, 2, 3, over 1. And you can do it as many times as you want. 3 times will give you a good straight line. So I'm going to now run through it like so. And put this one as well. And now we can go back to our brush, our pen on here, and this will be how the graph for the line 3x minus y equals 9 should look.